If you've been looking for job opportunities in New Zealand with visa sponsorship, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to apply directly without agents, the types of jobs available, and the exact process to secure a work visa in 2025. Stay with me until the end, because every step is important if you want to maximize your chances of success. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. The Accredited Employer Work Visa, or AEWV. This visa allows skilled workers to come to New Zealand if you have a job offer from an accredited employer. The best part? You don't need an agent to apply. You just need a genuine job offer from a New Zealand employer. Proof that your skills and experience match the role. Compliance with New Zealand immigration requirements. Essentially, if you know where to apply and how to prepare your documents, you can do it yourself. The AEWV makes the process simpler because it allows you to work legally, receive visa sponsorship, and in many cases, it can lead to permanent residency. The key requirement is that your employer must be accredited by Immigration New Zealand. Without this accreditation, you cannot use the AEWV pathway. So, how do you find accredited employers? Immigration New Zealand publishes a list of accredited employers, and this list is updated regularly. Checking this list first ensures that the job you apply for is eligible for sponsorship and saves you from wasting time with non-accredited employers. Here's the trick. 1. Go to the official New Zealand immigration website and check the AEWV accredited employer list. 2. Use job portals like Seek, Trade Me Jobs, and Indeed New Zealand. Filter for roles posted by accredited employers. 3. Look for companies actively hiring for green list occupations. These are jobs in high demand, meaning a higher chance of getting your visa. Tip: always confirm the employer is still accredited before applying. In-demand jobs, green list occupations. New Zealand has a list of high-demand jobs, known as the Green List. These roles are your best chance at a smooth AEWV process. Some examples include healthcare, registered nurses, aged care caregivers. Construction, carpenters, bricklayers, plumbers. Tech, software developers, IT business analysts. Agriculture, dairy farm managers, farm workers. If your profession is on this list, employers are more likely to hire you, and immigration will process your visa faster. Applying directly, strategies that work and where to find opportunities. When applying, it is best to go directly through the employer's official careers page or recognized New Zealand job portals such as Seek, Trade Me Jobs, and Work Here. Avoid agents who charge unnecessary fees. Tailor your CV to New Zealand standards by keeping it concise, clear, and focused on measurable achievements. Always include a professional cover letter that shows you understand the company's needs. Another strong strategy is networking. Many employers value applicants who connect directly through LinkedIn or industry events. Persistence pays off, and direct applications save you thousands in agent fees. Application and work visa process. Once you receive a job offer from an accredited employer, the company applies for job approval from Immigration New Zealand. After that, you submit your AEWV application online. The visa process usually requires proof of qualifications, work experience, a valid passport, health checks, and character documents such as a police certificate. Processing times can vary, but applications are generally faster when all documents are complete and accurate from the beginning. Tips for success. To improve your chances, research the company before applying so your cover letter is tailored to their business. Highlight international experience or any transferable skills, especially if you're applying for jobs on the green list. Be flexible about location because many opportunities are outside of big cities, particularly in healthcare and farming. Lastly, keep all communication professional and follow up politely after submitting applications to show genuine interest. New Zealand continues to welcome skilled workers through its accredited employer work visa. By targeting accredited employers, focusing on green list occupations, and applying directly, you can avoid unnecessary costs and increase your chances of success. Remember to prepare your CV in New Zealand format, research opportunities through trusted portals, and apply only to accredited companies. With the right approach, your journey to living and working in New Zealand could start sooner than you think. Check the description below for links to the official job websites. And remember to comment where you're watching from, especially if this is your first time here. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. And join our growing community of people looking to move abroad for better opportunities. We share new updates every week, and you don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to New Zealand.